Welcome to the SAP App Rumble Contest 2013. My name is Rohit Surve and along with me is my friend Avinash Soman. We are the students of Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research. The name of our application is Pollution Monitor. This application revolves around the idea of monitoring pollution. So, how did this idea evolve?
This is somewhat like how were the days when there was less pollution, a pleasant environment with fresh air, rivers flowing with fresh water, less industrialization, more number of animals and birds, more trees in the environment. But eventually, with the time, this beautiful picture turns into a dangerous picture. Now, what we can see in this picture is exactly what we find in today's world. The same river with fresh water turns into a poisonous river, with many pollutants being added into it because of the growing industrialization. More gases are released into the air by growing industries and use of vehicles. Trees are cut into pieces and there is also increase in urbanization. All these activities affect the environment, resulting in causing harm to the living and animals. We can see aquatic animals falling dead, number of birds decreasing. So friends, to control these ill effects, we thought of an idea to develop a mobile application which could monitor the amount of pollutants released into the environment. Now let's have a look at it. This is how the icon of our application will appear on the mobile, just like other icons of other applications, for example Facebook. Our application will also have an icon as displayed.
When we touch this icon, this is what we will see further. Our application basically has two parts. First for the industry and second for the vehicles. Now what exactly our application does? It will monitor the amount of the pollutants released by the factories and the vehicles into the environment. How we will do it? We are assuming here that a pollution monitoring device to be installed into the factory units emitting pollutants and also in the vehicles. This device will send the data regarding to the amount of the pollutants released by the factory or vehicle into the environment to the database that is enabled by SAP HANA. The mobile application Pollution Monitor will receive notification from the database if the measure of the pollutants emitted goes above the threshold level that is declared by the government, which causes harm to the environment. This application has to be installed in the mobile phone of the concerned person in the factory as well as in the mobile of the vehicle owner. In case of factories, the notification will go to the person concerned about the pollution control in the factory. This person will get two warnings through this application if the measure of the pollutant goes above the threshold level. But if the factory fails to fix the problem of the pollution caused, then at the third time, the notification will also be sent via email to the licensing authority who has a right to take the further legal actions against the factory and also to the pollution control board. Now, in case of the vehicles, the notification will go to the owner of the vehicle about the increase in the amount of pollutants emitted by his vehicle. The owner will get two warning notifications through the mobile application about the pollutants exceeding the threshold level. At the third time, the notification will be also sent to the RTO office that has a right to take the further legal action. So, what is the basis of the assumption? We all are aware of the device used to get the BUC certificate for our vehicles. It grants the certificate only if the vehicle is keeping pollution under control. So, even the pollutant monitoring device will work on the same basis.
Role of SAP HANA. This application will also provide you with the real-time information about the effect caused by the pollutants emitted by the user on the environment. This is exactly where SAP HANA comes into the important role. So as we want the user to be constantly notified about the statistics with the real-time figures of the pollutants emitted, SAP HANA is the best solution for it. So let's implement this idea and help to save our Mother Earth. Thank you.